How to find data policy on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your data policy on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it. Now click on your profile, scroll down and click on the last option, which is legal and policies. And here you have the second option, which is data policy. Click on it and this is it. This is how you find all your data policy. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like.